I can't make this number work. Why? Why can't you just go to the right side? Oh, we're so close.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to the second episode of STEM Duels here on Stemulation. I'm your host, Sam Kazime. The premise of this series is simple. We put two people of similar skill level against each other to compete in a certain challenge in STEM. In the last duel, our two awesome competitors, Ahmed and Shah, battled it out in a tic-tac-toe coding challenge to the death. Kinda. Who won? Who lost? If y'all haven't seen that episode yet, check it out in the description below. Alright, enough shameless promotion. Let's get started with today's challenge. In this fiery match-off, our two talented competitors will use a language they probably aren't very familiar with in a language they're definitely not very familiar with. Confused? Me too. It'll probably make sense soon. First one to complete this deceptively simple challenge wins the duel and gets the coveted STEM gem with their name on it, our winners list. Now with real winners, except you can't see it because that's reserved for the last video if you watched it. Go ahead and take a look. Alright, so with that out of the way, let's introduce our competitors. In the left corner, standing in at 5'11" and weighing in at 170 pounds, a budding entrepreneur with his own 3D printing business and one of the co-founders and co-CEOs of Stemulation, going to Waterloo for mechatronics engineering, Tyler West.
Wait.
Oh. Tyler rolls into the competition.
Hey, what's up, everybody?
All right, Tyler, how you feeling today?
Feeling great. Ready to roll.
Good stuff, good stuff. All right. And in the other corner, standing in at 6'2" and weighing in at 180 pounds, a genius among programmers who started coding at the age of 7 and has some experience with almost every language I can think of, and probably you can too. The guy who literally programmed our whole website, www.stemulation.ca, and the CTO of Stemulation himself, going to UBC for comp sci, Aiden Eglin.
Nice shameless promotion. I like it. Okay. Woo. Let's go, boys.
Masterful introduction there, guys.
I can also roll like Tyler, by the way. I also have wheels.
What can ya spin? Oh, that's gonna tangle.
All right, let's get to her, boys. What are we doing today? I'm
So-
really curious.
Oh yeah, so I've teased a little bit to you guys already, but you guys don't know the full story just yet. So, just before I get started, to balance the game a little bit after you guys probably expect from that introduction, I'm letting you know, Aiden, that there will be a slight handicap on your end. I'll explain that when we get into the challenge, which will actually be in right now. Alright, so let's start by introducing the language you guys will be using to the viewers. Remember when I said that you guys will use a language you probably aren't very familiar with? Okay, now that I know in Aiden's case that's not true. In a language you're definitely not familiar with, well, yeah, you're writing scheme code in Arabic. For those of you guys out there who aren't familiar, the scheme programming language is part of the Lisp family of languages. Unlike the pretty mainstream and intuitive modern programming languages like Python, Java, and the C family, the Lisp family is, well, let's just say, as the name suggests, you can't speak two sentences without tripping all over yourself.
Haha. They've been around for a hot minute too.
Oh yeah, I think it was, what,
1960-ish.
for the scheme programming language was introduced? Something like
They're
that.
old.
Very old. A literal wasteland of parentheses, as you guys will see from the demo program here. All right.
What?
So as
what am I looking at?
Oh my god.
Yep. My thoughts exactly. So as you guys can see, this isn't English. Someone out there named Rami Nasser wanted to make programming easier to learn for non-native English speakers, and so he created Qalb, or Qalb, depending on your dialect, whatever, a fully functioning Arabic programming language that is based on Scheme, as I mentioned earlier, that even refuses to accept Hindu Arabic numerals as tokens. You know, like our numerals, the English ones.
But it has Arabic in the name.
Oh, nope, can't use those. That's illegal.
Okay. Awesome.
Definitely good for Arabic speakers, but we are not that. At least I can read the language to help with debugging, but speaking it is still beyond my realm of possibility. Okay, so let's explain the challenge. It is very, very simple, and all the details are put in the rules document, which, if you guys scroll down now, I've added all the extra rules. All you need is two simple functions. One to calculate the volume of a sphere, and the other to check if that volume is right, plus or minus 0.1 units. So, let me give you guys a little demo here. So this is all the source code there in my REPL interpreter, and if I pull up this line of code right here, translating the one that I just put down means it says qul, which means speak or write, suf, which is the name of my function, and then the number 1. So if I implemented this correctly, it will output the area of the volume of a circle with radius 1. So that's a very simple function you have to implement. And the second function, again, quite simple. As you can see by this line of code here. All you have to do, I'll translate it. It says Qalb, or right. That says shukra, which is the name of my my kind of check volume function. Its first parameter is the area of the function. That is just what we calculated in the last line. And the second parameter is the expected value of the volume. All right. Before we go on to the actual challenge itself, do you guys have any other questions?
Why?
I ask myself that every day. Why do you think I'm hosting this thing?
Aiden, you should be all good here. I started learning Scheme like today, so.
Fair point. Okay. No, I'm not necessarily prepared, but let's go.
I'm even less prepared, so it's okay.
You spoke something of a handicap. What is this handicap?
Oh yeah, the handicap. I forgot to mention. I'm sorry. So, I'm giving you both a list of important keywords you'll need for this challenge. So basically these Arabic equivalents of the English keywords for Scheme. But I'm only giving the English translations to Tyler.
Awesome.
So, for all of you guys watching, all code written and used here will be linked in the GitHub repo down below. And with that, let's begin. All right, competitors. Code editors / Google Translate at the ready. On your marks. Get set. Code!
Ugh.
I know,
the wrong way.
it's terrible. You're going to get used to it, I promise. It'll take you a little while, but you will get used to it.
I need a space too, I guess, eh?
It's not a big deal. Spaces aren't really needed, but it's nice to just space it out. I would say it makes it easier to debug, but nothing is easy to debug here.
If Tyler beats me, then he's gonna have to take over maintaining the website. Let's go.
You got this, man.
I think I messed something up there. No, okay, we're good. Okay.
You got one more thing there.
Oh, lambda. Let's refresh this to clear the cache on the name. Nice.
All right, no errors.
No errors when I implement the function. Then when I call the function. Nice.
4.1.
Okay, we're good.
There you go. All right, awesome.
Okay. So the get volume function is working. All right.
I'm being summoned by Tyler. I will leave you
Okay.
right here for 1 second.
I am
Good
I
job, man.
appreciate the help.
Good job. Try going from the other way around. So try highlighting from the left, going to the right. Like the other way. It's like start from the left, go to the right.
Yeah. Oh.
Eventually.
Pop off. There you go. It works.
You wrote my code for me, but we got there.
It's all right. It's all right. You got the logic down. It's just the debugging there that's here and there. All right. Yeah, now it's just getting the second function ready. I'll pop into Aiden and see how he's doing.
How's Tyler doing? Is he like struggling or how's it going?
He's having a difficult time with the syntax, as did I when I was trying to figure out all the Scheme stuff.
Fair enough.
But he's doing all right. He's trooping through it.
Good. So what is happening? What is that there for? Absolute. Oh, okay. Okay, I'm gonna do some ninja stuff here.
Oh?
I think I just broke everything. Or second argument. So this is gonna evaluate this and then this, I think. Oh no, I gotta get the 0 again. I don't remember having that much issue with. I can't make this number work. Why? Why can't you just go to the right side? Oh, we're so close. Oh, finally, okay. Oh, that hurt. That hurt me deeply.
less than or equal to.
Remember, in Scheme, you put the operator before the value. So open bracket, and then it less than or equal to, and then
Oh, like, oh my God,
I know.
it's so heavily nested.
I know. I'm sorry, man.
Then we need to do something with that. So
So the way if statements work is that you have your if statement there,
yeah.
and then if it evaluates true, then you literally just put below it what you want to return. So in this case, it would be the e.
While
This is going to return less than. It's that weird E thing. Yeah, okay. Okay, I think I'm done. Challenge is done. I will let the host know.
So yeah, just you want me the code over Discord, and we'll see if it works here.
Oh, we're doing this right now.
We're doing it right now.
That's really scary. Okay.
I have a series of test values.
Did you not
Okay.
test your code ahead of time.
Who the test? Oh, sorry. No, I did test my code, yes. No, what I did is I wrote out all of it in English in Scheme in VS Code, and then once I got the logic down, I translated it over to Arabic using an online keyboard.
Cool.
How'd it go for you, Tyler?
Haha.
Haha, big funny.
I don't know. It's going along all right, I guess.
Did you get the first function?
Did I
Yep.
get the? Yeah, I
First
got the
function works
first
fine.
function with the help of Sam. No,
That's-
I'm working my way through. Probably would have another like 15, 20 minutes. I'd probably be able to get it.
Aiden's code is on the left. My code is on the right.
Which one's left?
Wait.
Wait. Oh, right. This isn't Arabic anymore. Yeah, it's normal.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. Oh, so I ran my code there. Those are the expected outputs. Let's run yours. Error. Rums isma.
Looks like
Oh,
we're
I
back
think.
to coding, boys. Looks like
What's
we're
our
back to
Tyler?
coding. Looks like we're back to coding, boys. I'm still in this thing.
Oh, wait. I think that's my bad. Sorry. When I replaced all the numbers, it refused to put a space there.
How dare you?
That is. I'm totally not trying to sabotage you or anything. It's not like I want. I'm not like I'm rooting for the underdog here or anything. All right. So it looks like your expected outputs are all the same there. That's awesome. So now what we will do is compare literally everything. So I have a bunch of test cases here.
Oh no.
You'll see those on the right for the second function there. So you'll see. Basically, I'm saying.
Wow.
Yeah. So basically, it's just. Oh wait, is it? Shoot, golly gosh darn, I forgot to put the spaces again. Thanks, Google Docs, you're a real champ.
How dare you?
Man. Oh, and I can't. Oh, because.
tomorrow.
All right,
Dang it.
so Aiden code on the left, on like English left. My code on the on the right. Testing the inputs. They're all mine. It's literally just for the first. All it is just sphere with volume 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check the area and check it against the actual volume, a volume that's smaller and a volume that's larger.
My volume function worked, right? We already tested that?
Yep.
Yeah.
And
Cool.
so we should get ASB, ASB, AS, or ESB, ESB, ESB consistently. Moment of truth. 3, 2, 1. All right, we have ASB. It's not exactly right. And then we got an error here. Oh, that's my bad. I guess I missed a space. Yep, I missed a space there. Oh, what the? Oh, that's my script. Haha.
Run it, see what happens.
Bonk. It doesn't like the letter T.
Unexpected character T, unreal.
Doesn't like that T. All right. Take what? 4, Dan. Put a take counter on the screen.
Hey, Dan.
Hey, Dan. I'm sorry for this. Is less footage at least. All right.
3,
3,
2,
2,
1,
1.
go.
There you go. ESB, 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 ESB. And with that, I think we can call Aiden the winner of STEM Duels number 2.
Yay. Tyler, you didn't know this, but if you won, you would actually have to maintain the website. Whoever won this was the new maintainer of the
Oh,
website.
I'm really happy I didn't win that.
Tyler, I will say that you brought up a really good fight against Aiden, though. I really had a good time watching both of y'all. It was just a fun time. I enjoyed it.
I monologued to myself the entire time.
That's good.
Nice. You had a good time, Tyler?
Yeah, that was a great time.
That was really fun, actually. Yeah.
Good to hear. Good to hear.
STEM Gem number 2.
STEM Gem number 2. If I can center it and not pronounce or spell your name like Elgin, there's a STEM Gem there. I will send it to you over Discord once we finish this recording, and you can sign it, and I will put it on our updated winners list, which the viewers cannot see the first STEM Gem, or else they'll be revealed to the end of the first episode.
I think this means I'm the best Arabic speaker in the world.
All right. Let's
Name
go.
one better. I defy you.
أنا كلمة عربي.
We.